One thing I wish I did when I first started earning an income, I wish I started automating my savings earlier. I honestly didn't know about this before, and I wish someone had told me sooner. So, if you're just starting out with your career and earning your own money, this is for you. Here's what I recommend: open a separate savings account from your checking account and put it in a separate bank so money transfer is not instant, and that way it would be harder for you to touch it. And if possible, don't get any physical card for it so that you can just wipe it anytime you want. Then automate your savings. You can ask your HR or your payroll to automatically deduct something from your paycheck and deposit it to your savings account. In the Philippines, if your employer doesn't offer automatic deduction, you can set up an automatic transfer from your payroll account to your savings account on payday. I'd say start small, like 20 pesos or $10. The goal is to make it feel like the money was never there in your pay in the first place. Then you can gradually increase it when you are more comfortable in saving more. But like I said, save even just a little amount so that in times of emergency, you have something to use.